In sports analytics, timely and accurate data is the foundation of better insights. Automating data collection allows analysts and organizations to access the latest player and game statistics without manual effort. Collecting MLB statistics from multiple online sources manually is time-consuming, inconsistent, and difficult to maintain. Frequent updates make it challenging to keep datasets accurate and up-to-date. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed the valued Stats MLB web scraper, an automated solution that collects, processes, and structures Major League Baseball data for analytics and reporting. The platform automatically scrapes MLB statistics from trusted sources, cleans and validates the data, structures it into organized datasets, and makes it available for dashboards, analytics, and performance tracking. Key features include automated MLB data scraping, real-time statistics collection, data cleaning and validation, structured data pipelines, analytics-ready datasets, scalable data automation. The solution reduces manual data collection, improves data accuracy, accelerates sports analytics, and enables organizations to make data-driven decisions using up-to-date MLB statistics.